Hello viewers, welcome to our new video. In this video we are going to learn another SAT past paper question. This is 2017 past paper question. In the diagram, three graphs are given, and what is the statement? The temperature in degrees Celsius of a hot object placed in a room is recorded every 5 minutes. The temperature of object decreases rapidly at first, then decreases more slowly as the object's temperature approaches the temperature of the room. Which of the following graphs could represent the temperature of the object over time? If we analyze B, as we move from left to right, we can see that height of dots increase. That means temperature increases. In graph B, when we move from 0 to right side along x-axis, we can see the values increase. The height of the dot increases. Now if we analyze C, C also shows similar. Slow increase and then the rapid increase. Slowly the height of the dot increases at first, and the third dot and fourth and fifth, then the height of dots increases rapidly. Now if we analyze D, what happens in D? It is told that temperature of the object, if you read the second line of the statement, the temperature of the object decreases rapidly at first, then decreases more slowly as object's temperature approaches to the temperature of the room. If we look at D, then temperature slowly decreases, while the statement says temperature decreases rapidly. Can you see D? Height of dot decreases slowly. It means temperature decreases slowly in D, while statement says temperature of the object decreases rapidly at first. So see the graph A. Initially temperature is 250. Then after 5 minutes temperature is between 150 and 200. Closer to 150, maybe it is 160. Then the temperature reduces to close to 100, maybe it is 99. After 15 minutes the temperature is closer to 50, and then the temperature decrease and the temperature becomes slower. As the temperature increases, decrease and temperature reduces. So decrease in temperature is slow. As time passes and the temperature comes closer to 25 degree, then the decrease becomes slower. This is what the statement says. The temperature of the object decreases rapidly at first. So you can see from 250 it drops to closer to 150 after 5 minutes, and after 10 minutes means after another 5 minutes it gets closer to 100. Rapid decrease initially, and then it decreases slowly as it comes closer to room temperature. So option A is correct option. Thank you so much viewers for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share this video and comment on the video, and do support us by donating through EasyPaisa on the given number, and you can contact for highly productive exam preparation oriented online classes for IGCSE 0580 mathematics, ADMath, FSC mathematics, ICS mathematics, metric mathematics. So you can contact for online classes, as well as you can utilize this number as EasyPaisa account number for donations. You can donate if you think this video has benefited you in any way. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.
Thank you so much viewers for